Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the battery type and its voltage so the tender selects the right charge profile. Once done, turn the ignition off and stabilize the bike on a stand to prevent tipping. Make sure terminals are clean, use a wire brush if needed. Connect the charger lead to the battery. Positive clamp to red positive terminal first, then negative to black terminal. This order avoids sparks and protects electronics. Now the tender can be connected to mains and powered on for initial settings. You now choose the correct charger mode: maintenance for regular upkeep, repair for deeply discharged batteries, or the specific chemistry setting for AGM or lithium. Select a low amperage for trickle charging when leaving the bike long-term, and higher bulk amps only if the battery is severely discharged and rated for it. As charging begins, monitor the initial current and voltage to confirm proper response. If the tender shows desulfation, let it complete that cycle. Then it will move into bulk and absorption phases automatically. You finish by letting the charger run through absorption into float, which balances cells and prevents overcharge. Confirm float voltage is stable. Once done, switch off mains power before removing clamps and disconnect the negative clamp first to reduce sparking. After reinstalling the battery, start the bike to verify good voltage and charging behavior. If the battery won't hold charge, test it under load or inspect the bike for parasitic draws and bad charging system components. This is the key troubleshooting step to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.